YouTube? It's your boy, I think Scat, back today with another video. And today, we're getting the car cleaned up. Got a photo shoot for the car tomorrow. Hooked up with a guy who liked my car and wanted to do a photo shoot on it. So I'm going to go ahead and get it cleaned up for tomorrow so we can get that done. Let y'all take a look. So, right now I'm pulling in, got my other two cars out there while I'm starting to get this one detailed for tomorrow. Right now I just finished the wheels. You see the tire dressing, it's shining black. Still got a little bit more to do. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the body next, wipe that down. That's one of the good things I love about that ceramic coat. I ain't gotta always break out the pressure washer over there and wash this car a lot. With that ceramic coat, I could just take a little, car soap, a little rag, and just wipe it down, wipe off some of the dirt and stuff like that. I ain't got a full detail. I mean, don't get me wrong, I do full detail the ceramic coat now. It's not for you to not ever wash your car again. You still need to keep it clean and stuff like that, but I barely dry this car like that, so I don't always have to break out that bad boy, the pressure washer, all the time and spray it down. So I can just take my little bucket, put a little soap and water, just do a little mild wipe down, and then especially with the graphics, can't always pressure wash it because I'm already losing pieces, as y'all see. Some of the honeycomb down there, right there, is gone. So got to get that redone. A couple of pieces fell off, windows down, getting it clean, nice and ready for this photo shoot as well. Shout out to CFL Mopar Mafia Car Club here in Florida. Shout out to them boys. But just getting them nice and clean. As you see them wheels, black, that tire shine. Drop them comments below what tire shine you use, what you think the best brand is. I only use McGuire's products on my car, so I went and picked up this tire shine right here. It's a detailer called Hyper Dressing. It's not only can be used for your tires, but you can use it on like your black plastic pieces on your car that may fade over time. This will definitely bring the shine back. I like it. I mean, it's working pretty good for me. So you can pick this up at like your AutoZone, Walmart, things like that. But it works pretty good for me. But like I said, just a quick detail of the car. Get it ready for this photo shoot tomorrow. This guy that I'm gonna let do the photo shoot tomorrow, I met him while I was driving. It's crazy because I was driving home, coming from an appointment, and the guy was trying to flag me down because he liked the way my car looked. And he said he's getting into the photograph business, taking photos, photo shoots, things like that for cars. I gotta get the engine cleaned up too. As you see, it's kind of dirty. Don't like that at all. But yeah, he said he new to the game as far as with cars. He starting his photography business. I'm always looking to support local business, or, small businesses that's coming about. That's one thing I can say about COVID though. It has really upped at the small business game. Everybody started a business, due to COVID, because COVID made people lose businesses and new businesses began from COVID. But, trying to get the car ready. So he started his new photography business. Said he wanted to do a photo shoot with the car. So I said, let me see what he can do. Could be some good publicity for the car. So I said, I'll go ahead, let him hook me up. We was supposed to do it today, but something came up. He had another photo shoot, so he couldn't get me in. So we're going to do it tomorrow. So I got to get the car clean today and keep it clean. So when I break it out there tomorrow to the photo shoot, hopefully some good pictures come out. I'll drop them on the channel for you guys to see. I might even vlog when I take the car to the shoot tomorrow and let you guys see it as it's going down. But for the continue to get this boy cleaned up, and what I'll do, I'll bring you guys back on once I'm done getting it cleaned. All right, we back. So I finally got done cleaning her. She nice and ready. So finished all the cleaning. Give you guys a little walkthrough, let y'all guys see the final product. Like I said, I didn't have to do too much to clean it because the car's been ceramic coated when I first got it last year. So that definitely pays off. Trust me, you got the investment, definitely ceramic coat your car. I cannot say that enough. That ceramic coating is legit. It definitely helps keep the dirt off, and whatever little dirt you have on your car, you can easily just wipe it off like I did. Like I said, normally I'm pressure washing my car. I'm pressure washing either my 200 or my Daytona, because neither one of those are ceramic coated, so I have to constantly keep washing those. And y'all know with white cars, they stay dirty. They attract dirt like anything. So, but got to keep those clean. I use the pressure wash on those, but this with the ceramic coat, I use the pressure wash sometimes, but not all the time. So today I just took a little bucket with a little car wash soap in it and my little towel, a microfiber towel, just to clean it off. And you see it's still shining. Get your angle from the side. And that's with no wax on it, no nothing. That's that ceramic coat. Keeps it shiny, keeps it looking good, keeps the dirt off. So, even the hood, even though the hood is satin black, I still got that ceramic coated too, so you can see the shine in that. as well. But it came out good, definitely done. Give y'all a walk around. It's the front. Had bugs everywhere, all right there on that little strip of the bumper, but easily wiped off with the ceramic coat. Nothing sticks, anything like that. So, and that little mark you see right there, that's not a bug, that's a chip. Don't know how that happened, but from my bumper got chipped. But as you see, it's clean, cleaned up real good. Like I said, for the photo shoot tomorrow. Give you guys a good close up. Now I may have to dust off tomorrow because for some reason in my garage, once I leave it in the garage overnight, in the morning it will be dusty. Which if anybody know anything you can put in your garage, like a humidifier maybe, to keep the dust down, let me know. Put it down in the comments and let me know so I can take a look at it. But as you see, she clean. Like I said, give you a side view. That's no wax, y'all. That's just wiped down, and the ceramic coat that's been on it keeps it nice and shiny like glass. You know, like I said, it's a definitely good investment if you can afford to have it done. Yeah, it can be pricey and expensive. You may even can find some people to do it cheaper, you know, but just be careful of those ones that are cheaper and say they do a good job, really don't. I've had many people who went cheap and turned around, had to pay a lot more money just to get that stripped off to get it done right. But tire shine, I told y'all the tire shine I use is Meguiar's. Also my rims are ceramic coated as well, so that helps keep the brake dust down, even though I did change out my brakes on these because Brembo brakes suck. So I went with the Evolution Sport, the Power Stop Evolution Sport brake system for the front and the back, and I took away all the dust. So even with the ceramic coating on, I barely see any dust on it at all. So, but I went with these boys right here, front and back Evolution. I went with the carbon fiber ceramic performance pads, so them are the ones that you definitely want. But I picked those up on Amazon, so and I think that's in my description in my bio, so you can definitely check that out. But as you see, like I said, no wax on here, no nothing. It's just a wipe down with a microfiber towel and some soap and some warm water, and that's it. Like I said, that ceramic coat keeps it looking nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, every once in a while, I'll hit it with a spray that I have, a ceramic coat spray, just give it that extra protection. And this is what I use. Like I said, I use Meguiar's on everything. So I usually use this, the Meguiar's ceramic detail, a little hybrid spray. You know, I usually spray that on a couple of sprays and wipe it off. But I don't do this all the time. I just do this every once in a while just to make the ceramic coating that's on there now stand out even more. But like I said, she clean. Definitely clean. Excuse me, I'm backed all the way up to my door. Let y'all see. And I don't know, that stuff, did anybody else have like a white garage and when you start your car, do your exhaust shoot out that black stuff? Because that came from this car from my exhaust tips all on my wall. But as y'all see, she clean and ready for the shoot tomorrow. Like I said, she's shining. Look at that. There's no wax on there, no nothing. That's just that ceramic coat. Makes her shiny. She stays shiny. And she good to go. So a photo shoot tomorrow should be banging. Pictures definitely should be dope. I will put those on the channel once I get them back. Let y'all check out the inside. Well, like I said, with the inside, I haven't done anything in the inside. This is still stock, bone stock. Haven't done anything, nothing. Just cleaned it out. That's it. I'm thinking about getting the white on there colored in, like a lighter white to match the car so that can stand out a little bit. But other than that, nothing. Got the cloth seats in here. But one thing I did do that's done in-house, if you want some, drop a comment, let me know. These Scat Pack cup holders, those were done in-house. I make those, well, my wife makes those. Even the Scat Pack face mask, I can make you one of those, any type. You don't have to go with white background. You can get a black background with a different B on it, but as you see, and then I'll show you the cup holders again. Just let me know. It don't have to be the Scat Pack. You got the Hellcat. You want a Hellcat mask to match? You could do that as well. But I think those came out dope. Definitely like those. Like I said, I ain't done nothing to the inside, anything like that. So I just wanted to show y'all that. But that's about it. Like I said, she's clean, ready for photo shoot tomorrow. So the thing I'm gonna do now, let y'all get a cold start. Since I didn't give y'all one, take them keys up. As y'all see, that girl loud. Just wanted to give y'all a little cold start. Let y'all hear. She be screaming. Start up right. She screamed for you. But show y'all the keys. As y'all can see, we are Mopar family over here. You see them keys? Dodge, and the Chrysler. And then I throw down the other one. It's another Dodge. You know, it's 1, 2, 3 Dodges, 1 Chrysler. So, you know what I'm saying? As you see, we Mopar faithful over here. We love the Mopars. But I think that's going to be about it for this video. Just let me know what y'all think. Get in them comments. Like, comment, subscribe. I can't say it enough. Subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up on this video. Let me try to get maybe 50 likes off this video. You know, tell me what y'all think, and we'll go from there. More videos to come. I'm gonna definitely get with y'all. Y'all stay safe out there, have fun, and this your boy, I think, Scat, and I'm out.